Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you're here today. Today I'm going to be answering, should I get a facial? And I'm going to be covering when you should get your first facial, or what would be the right age to get a facial, and how often should you be getting a facial. Hi, my name is Karina and I'm the esthetician here at Bare Glow. My goal is to help you achieve the skin that you have always dreamed of. You could achieve that skin that you want. You could minimize pores, you could lighten pigment. Everything is possible with skin. It's just having the right products and the right skincare routine. So my first time facial clients range in age anywhere from 12, 10 to sometimes in their late 40s, 50s. So there's no set time for people to get a facial, but it is important, depending on your skincare goals, it is important that you are getting a facial on a regular basis if you want to prevent aging, if you want to maintain your skin healthy. So how do you know when you should get your first facial? If you want to improve the condition of your skin, if you have hyperpigmentation, melasma, large pores, acne, if you're aging, or if you just want to get educated on your skin, start a skincare routine, then I would say yes, you should be getting a facial. You should go to an esthetician. You should be asking the questions that you need in regards to your skincare. We are here to help you start a skincare regimen and maintain skincare regimens, and to help you improve in your skin and maintain your skin, and for you to age gracefully and have the best skin that you could possibly have later on in your life. So that is my goal as an esthetician, is to educate my clients on product, have them on a skincare routine to maintain at home, and to offer corrective services for any skincare concerns that they need. So when should you get your facial? As soon as you start experiencing any changes in your skin that you are not happy with, or that you want to improve, or if you have a teenager that is starting to get larger pores, that has blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, the sooner that you get them to an esthetician and that we could start them on a skincare routine, or that you could get the guidance that you can to start them on a skincare routine, the better. So you want to preventing is always easier than repairing. So as soon as you're starting to notice any changes, we could get you on the right skincare that will prevent breakouts, could prevent larger pores, could prevent clogging of the pores, blackheads, whiteheads, pigmentation. So my number one tip for your skincare routine is that, one, you have to have a skincare routine. I do have a video, I will link them in the information cards and in the description, about selecting the right products for your skin type. Also, using them correctly, that is very important. Washing your skin correctly, using them correctly is the second most important part of your skincare routine, because having the right products is important, but if you're not using them correctly, you're not going to get the results that you want, and having the wrong products is not going to get you the results that you want. So those two are important. You also want to start wearing sunscreen. Sun is going to be the number one damaging of the skin, aging and pigmentation, and then its skin itself is going to age, so and the pores are going to get larger. So you want to start taking care of the skin so that we could prevent all these things that are going to happen eventually. So the sooner the better. So once you get started with your skincare routine and you come in for your first face, at what age should you come in? Like I said, the ages vary. As soon as you feel like you need to start working on something, if you haven't started in your teenage years with a skincare routine, it is not too late. You should already start in your 20s. It is not too early to start in your 20s. It's never too late and it's never too early. So the sooner that you get to the proper guidance, the better. Once you are receiving your skincare treatments, well, how often should you be getting them? So this also depends on your age, and it also depends on your skin condition, and it also depends on your goals. So if you're younger, your skin is usually going to react faster, but if you're struggling with your skin in any way and you don't have the proper skincare routine, then you're going to have to come in more often, once a month. So when we are working with acne until we get to clear you, then you probably are going to come once a month. Until then, it usually takes about 3 to 6 months to be on the clear side. If you're working on pigmentation and aging, pigmentation is also going to be depending on your age. Then I will see you once a month as well, and you will be seeing me until the pigment is gone, and then you will just maintain with home care. And then if you're aging, depending on how old you are, the younger you are, then you could get away with not seeing me as often, as long as you have your skincare routine. But once you're later in your life, 40s, 50s, 60s, then you are probably going to need a monthly facial. We want to stimulate the circulation. We want to stimulate the collagen production. So it really varies. If you want to know my opinion, make sure that you leave a comment below. Tell me your age, your skin condition, and I will make a recommendation. I hope this information has been helpful, and make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to my channels for future videos. You could always find me on Instagram, where I'm constantly sharing tips and tricks for a glowing complexion, and you could find that in the description, or my name is here. Also, please leave your comment below. Tell me if you want to hear any other topics, any questions that you have, and I'll be glad to answer it for you. And till next time, make sure that you're taking care of your skin today so that your future self could think.